Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can sign up to a Revolut Pro account. So let's get started. Now first off, once you open up your Revolut app, you will be on your default homepage. So from here you will just need to tap on your profile icon in the upper left corner. And once you're on this menu, here on the left hand side, you can see the plan that you're currently having. So for me, I currently have a standard plan. So I will just tap on that. And in the upper right, you can see the upgrade option. So you can just tap on upgrade. And here on the upgrade menu, you have a lot of different plans from which you can choose from. So you have the standard plan that you're currently probably using and that I'm using currently. And here you have the plus plan, premium, metal, etc, etc. So depending on which of these premium plans you want to use, you can select that one. Once you select it, you can just click join right here, and then you can just pay for the plan. And once you pay for the plan, it will be activated on your Revolut account, and you will get all the benefits that are stated here on the plan page. So that's, guys, essentially how you can get a Revolut Pro plan if you only have a normal Revolut account at the moment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.